Hello friends, welcome to my new tutorials. In this video I will talk about how to clean thumbnail in WordPress. So before coming to the main topic, I will explain you what is a thumbnail. Thumbnail have very important role in your WordPress theme. Thumbnail size is defined by theme and you can change it as per your requirement. So basically when a theme developer develop a theme, at that time theme developer defines some certain sizes as per the theme design. For example, if you see my blog, here is a thumbnail size. This is a thumbnail size which is as per this design of the theme. In some of the theme, this feature image size may be bigger. So basically WordPress provide the full control to control your thumbnail. If you wanna to customize your thumbnail size, visit your WordPress dashboard and go to the media, and here you can define your thumbnail size. You can also change your thumbnail size. For example, if I want my feature image something bigger, so what I will do, I will go to my cPanel, then I will go to my file manager, and here under public underscore HTML folder I will go to the WP content, then I will go to my theme folder, I will click on my theme, and here it is function.php file. So you go to your function.php file, click Ctrl A, Ctrl F, and type here thumbnail. Okay, now here is my default size of my thumbnail. So whenever we change our thumbnail size here, then we have to regenerate the thumbnail. For this you can use the plugins like thumbnail generator. So basically what happened when we change our theme from one theme to another theme, then we have to again regenerate the thumbnail sizes according to that theme. But if you stick with that theme, then in your media folder there are lots of previous themes thumbnail which is increasing your database size. So in this video I will talk about how you can clean your thumbnail and you can regenerate your thumbnail using the plugins. So for that there is a very useful plugin, Thumbnail Cleaner. Thumbnail Cleaner is an awesome plugin to clean your WordPress media folder by deleting unused thumbnail, or you can delete complete thumbnail. This plugin not update for long time, but still it works very fine. So when we install any plugins on WordPress directly, WordPress shows us that this plugin is not updated from 3 years or 4 years, but it doesn't matter. There are many plugins which have not been updated from many years, but still I use those plugins and those plugins are performing very well. So Thumbnail Cleaner, what the Thumbnail Cleaners do is simply, this plugin simply analyze your upload directory and give an overview how many original files and thumbnails are there. This plugin simply clean your thumbnail and keep original images. So basically when we upload any images to our blog post, at that time, suppose that I have uploaded this image, okay, so this is the single image for some at 1024 size of 1024. So when we upload this image, according to our thumbnail setting, WordPress regenerate different sizes of that email and keep in the media folder. For example, when someone share your post on Facebook, or when someone share your blog post on Twitter or Pinterest, then at that time it pick up the right image from your media folder, means thumbnail sizes. So if you switch from one theme to another theme, then you have to, there is a no use of the previous theme thumbnails. So you have to clean those thumbnails to maximize your hosting space if you are especially using a shared hosting. So to do that, visit your WordPress dashboard and install this plugin, Thumbnail Cleaner. Okay, so I have installed this plugin. So once you install this plugin, under the tool option you will get the thumbnail cleaner. Okay, so this is a thumbnail cleaner. So before cleaning the thumbnails, first you have to backup, and this backup will be get stored under WP content thumbnail cleaner, means your hosting cPanel here under the WP content folder. So when you backup, it will automatically save there. Okay, so backup is very important because you may not know that if something some consequences got happens, then you will have the backup and you can upload those media folder thumbnail sizes to your media folder. So this is the backup. Then first you have to take the backup and you have to second click on the start analyzing. Okay, so if you click on start analyzing, it will calculate that how many images you have on your media folder. So I have clicked on start analyzing and it is analyzing my media folder. So there are the 12,326 thumbnail is there. Okay, so when you click on delete, it will delete all your thumbnail, and as per your new setting here, as per new setting, if you change something here, then if you install the thumbnail cleaner, if you go here in tool section, there is a thumbnail regenerate thumbnail. There are many thumbnail regenerator plugins on WordPress directory. You can install anything. So once you delete here, and you can regenerate now, so it will again regenerate all the thumbnails as per your settings which you have defined under the media and your theme file. So it is always recommended that when you switch the theme, then you have to clean up or delete your old thumbnail. It will help you to save some server space. So this is all about how to clean thumbnail in WordPress. If you are new to this video, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I post anything new, you will get the notifications. Thank you for watching.